ready? Hands on your head. One. Wait. We got couldn't climb tree. A little kid. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, both of you. How can you say? I could climb
tree when I was
a
little
little
kid.
good. One for you.
I could climb the tree when I was little kid.
Good. 1, 2. Okay, good. That's good. Climb the tree when I was a little kid. Could or couldn't eat chili peppers. Eat chili peppers. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Who?
Me.
Kate.
No.
How can you say?
I couldn't eat chili peppers when I was a child.
Good. 4 for you. 4 what? Player. Okay.
2.
Could or couldn't drink cola. 5 years old. 1, 2, 3. What's wrong? Focus. You? I could.
I could drink cola when I was 5 years old.
Not when I was 5 years old.
5 years old.
Good. Alright. Anyway, 4, 3. Okay. Could or couldn't brush teeth. 4 years old. 1, 2, 3. Both. How can you say? Redwood?
I could.
I could.
I could.
Could or couldn't? Huh? 4 years old. Brush your teeth. Brush my teeth. Could or couldn't? Brush my teeth. Good. Okay, 5 for you. And now you?
I could brush my teeth when I was 4 years old.
Good. 4 and 6.
8.
Oh, I mean, no, 5 and 6. 5 for you and 6 for you. That's it.